You are now watching Doorbell News.
What?
Boy, shut up. My mom called me. Bro, I just broke my ass.
Florence, you're okay. Got a baby in here.
May I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Can you come outside really fast?
Why? Who are you?
Your neighbor. I have a question.
My neighbor?
Yes, ma'am. Across the street.
Okay. What's your question?
You know my husband, ma'am?
Who's your husband?
The man across the street.
Across the street, where?
Across your house.
No, I don't. I don't even know. I don't even know my neighbor to the right.
Oh, 'cause you always looking at us, and I'm wondering why. If you know somebody or you know something, I don't know.
Girl, first of all, I don't even know you, so you better get from my door. I don't even know you or where you stay at.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Y'all, oh my God. What? Y'all, oh my God. I'm at an inspection? Oh my God.
I just want you to potentially imagine the smell. That's all. Some kind of excrement. We got the trash dragon guarding the trash pile. We got this mouse that died from probably the smell. Bro, that's...
Leave that here. It's yours. You gotta put it on your wall. Give you. Okay, come on. Ow!
See, the door's broke. They breaking in. They trying to break in. They're breaking in. The car right there. You see? Car's right there. They breaking in the house. Yep, they breaking in the house. They breaking in the house. They breaking in the house, and I'm recording. And I'm recording. And I'm recording.
Mama, take it out.
And I'm recording.
The mama, take it out.
And I'm recording. You see him? He got a gun. Bro, you gotta kill me, bro. You gotta kill me, bro.
Mama, take it out.
You gotta kill me, bro. You gotta kill me, bro. It's a dude in the house with a gun. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Mama, take it out, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Mama, take it out.
Yeah, bro.
They drunk or something. Wait, they fighting or something. Back.
Put your hands on. All right, ride past that shit like them. Come on, man, ride past. Hurry up.
Wait, stay all the way to the side though, 'cause I don't know what the fuck. Go fast though. Oh, darling.
Damn, is y'all good?
See? This how dumb ass niggas wanna play. What you doing up in here? Damn. You finna steal all my shit, ain't you? Nah, let me see that bag. You ain't finna get off that easy. You probably got some of my shit up in there. You finna steal my beats and shit. You went through this, motherfucker. Let me see what's up in there, little dog. Dang. What's this? Dang. You just go do a nigga dirt ball dirty, wasn't you? Dang, what's this? You got your little pillow. That right there get you killed. What you doing, my nigga? Huh? Just tell me, what's going on? I mean, you come over here apparently to steal. Man, you finna steal my beats and everything, huh? Just tell me what's going on. Huh? You don't want to talk? You just around here breaking in people's shit? Huh? I ain't even gonna take your little shit, though. You know what I mean? So forward. You know, people get shot. Now, I could have shot you for that. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna do that. Put your shit back up in there. But you just come up and go through my little shit, huh? Now I gotta take my shit up out of here. You from around this area? I ain't even checked these little pockets. What else you take of mine? I don't give a fuck about nobody else shit. 'Cause I ain't even gonna take all that. What else you take of mine? Huh? Dang. Come on up out of there. I ain't even cut like that. Dang. Little nigga wanted them baits. You ain't gotta steal though, my nigga. You know what I mean? You ain't even have to steal. You know? I ain't even gonna do you like that though. Y'all niggas, man.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.